To pick up stitches along a cast off edge, I would suggest that you put your needle through the middle of the stitch, which is just below the cast off edge. Start at the side edge and put your needle through the middle of the edge stitch. And bring the new loop through. Continue to pick up stitches as instructed in the pattern by repeating this all the way along the pickup until you have the desired amount of stitches. If you are instructed to miss one stitch, then you simply skip over one of the stitches and put your needle into the next one. And then continue picking up as usual into the middle of every stitch unless instructed otherwise. Alternatively, you may be asked to pick up an extra stitch, in which case you put your needle in between two stitches into this gap here, draw the loop through, and you've picked up one extra stitch.